Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and hardware so nothing basic blocks voice. First, sign into the correct Xbox profile with live access, then connect and test the headset in the console menu. Next, launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to Settings, then Sound and Voice. Set voice chat to team or group as needed. Once done, adjust chat volume and chat mixer so game audio isn't drowning out people. These steps remove common barriers before deeper fixes. Now you handle network and privacy, which are frequent culprits. Run the Xbox network test to reveal your NAT type. An open NAT is ideal, moderate may work, and strict often blocks chat, so forward ports on your router if needed. Then go to Xbox Settings, Account Privacy and Online Safety, and make sure voice and multiplayer communications are allowed. Restricts here silence players. Also verify party chat works system-wide. If Xbox party voice fails, finish with targeted resets and isolation steps to clear lingering problems. Flip Overwatch 2 voice chat off, leave and rejoin the lobby, and then toggle it back on. Often that forces reconnection to Blizzard's servers. If that fails, perform a full power cycle on your Xbox to clear network cache, and as a last resort, reinstall the game. Make sure to test with a different headset or use Xbox Party Chat. If Party Chat works, the issue is in-game, so report a bug with reproduction details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.